Hello everybody, today we are going to be talking about how to clean the print core of the Ultimaker S5. This is important because having a clean print core means good quality and successful prints. This is what our print core we will be cleaning today looks like, and our cleaning filament stick, which you can order from Ultimaker or any 3D printing vendor. First we navigate our way to settings, then onto print head and print core cleaning. For this exercise we are going to select print core 1. If you were choosing print core 2, it would be the same process. It will then ask us to select what material to clean with. I prefer to use the cleaning material because it doesn't really leave debris behind in the nozzle, because sometimes the PLA material can be left in the nozzle. The nozzle will heat up for the next process. After the print core is heated up, we remove the clip and PTFE tube from the top of the extruder head so we can insert the cleaning filament. This can be a bit cumbersome, so using some pliers helps to get the clip off. Now the screen display is telling me to place the filament into the print core. Here it will tell you to push for 1 second and filament will come out as you can see here. I prefer to push till the point I don't see any black filament in the nozzle. I want to see clear transparent filament come out of the nozzle. That way I know there's no more black filament in the nozzle. Once that happens, the process then tells you to pull the filament out for the next process, which is called the cold pull. But I prefer to leave the filament in, while applying a slight bit of pressure throughout while navigating through the steps on screen. As I said before, it comes onto the cold pull where you'll keep the pressure on the filament while the print core is cooling down. It will then tell you to release the pressure from the filament. Next step is to pull the filament from the print core as directed from the steps on screen. A sharp pull should be enough, and what you're looking for is a cone-shaped end to your length of filament. Lastly, you will place the tube and clip back in place and you're all done with your print core cleaning. Thanks for watching everyone.